In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to escape the facility in Rise and Shine Dying Light the Beast. So now we need to just follow this right here, as you can see in the elevator shaft, I think this is called. And we're going to follow the marker here to the right. And now we have to go down here, perfect. And then we have to go right here. Okay, interesting. So now in here we need to be really fast, by the way. Oh god, okay. Yep, got it. So we're going to keep running here. They're closing the doors. Click on the C button. When you run, you will be able to slide then, I believe. So we're going to keep running here. Oh, wow. Oh god, almost. Okay, got it. Perfect, perfect. Now we can just skip the scene. I believe that we actually did escape now, so yeah. I guess that is basically exactly how to do this.